Welcome to Spring Boot Microservice tutorial series. In this tutorial series we are going to show you how to implement production-ready microservice project using Spring Boot and Spring Cloud frameworks. In the previous video, we shown how to create discovery service for service registration, also we used Eureka Server for that. As the second step, we are going to show you how to create config service using Spring Cloud project for centralized configurations in microservice architecture. Spring Cloud provides tools for developers to quickly build some of the common patterns in distributed systems, and it enables engineers to quickly develop cloud-native applications. One of the features is to maintain application configurations outside the application. This will enable configuration change without restarting microservice application. After adding config server dependency, Spring Cloud Config Server provides an HTTP resource-based API for external configuration, name value pairs or equivalent YAML content. The server is embeddable in a Spring Boot application, by using the @enable config server annotation. Let's do the config service configurations. Like all Spring Boot applications, it runs on port 8080 by default, but you can switch it to the more conventional port 8888 in various ways. We can use three different ways to load configurations to the config service. 1. From class path. 2. From file system. 3. From Git server. In this example we use class path configuration option for the easy development, but in the production you can use file system or Git server options. Now config service is ready to use. You can check out source code from our GitHub repository. In the next video, we will demonstrate how config service register in Eureka Server. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.